Imagine holding a spoon of honey, golden, smooth, and perfectly sweet. But have you ever thought about how this tiny drop is made? This is not just food, this is teamwork, science, and nature at its finest. It all begins in a field full of flowers. A single honeybee flies from one blossom to another, not just a few, but thousands in a single day. From each flower, it collects a sugary liquid called nectar. But here is the best part: the bee does not store it in its belly for food. Instead, it carries it in a special honey storage space. And inside this, something amazing begins. The nectar slowly starts changing. Now the bee returns to the hive, but its job is not over yet. It passes the nectar to other worker bees, like a relay race. These bees place the liquid into tiny six sided cells of the honeycomb. At this stage, the nectar is still thin, almost like water. So, what do the bees do? They start fanning it with their wings, thousands of tiny wings working together. This removes the extra water, and slowly the liquid becomes thick honey. Once it becomes rich and golden, the bees seal it with a wax cap. And now it is ready, perfectly kept. So perfect that honey never goes bad. Yes, never. In fact, honey found in ancient tombs thousands of years old is still safe to eat. So next time you taste honey, remember, it is not just sweet, it is a masterpiece created by nature, one drop, thousands of journeys.